Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the Aussie yen last week failed at the 104.55 daily resistance level and traded down to support. It's rather range bound here, so this week will support hold, or can we see a break down and through, and does support become resistance for a further move down? So at the start of the week, watch 102.82. Does that level get tested? Does it hold? Or maybe a move back up the range to further once more challenge 104.55 daily resistance. Now the Aussie dollar last week failed at daily resistance 66.79 and actually closed below daily support 65.91. Are we breaking out of this range? So this week, do we get a clear move down? Do we rally back to 65.91 up to 66 level? Does that area now hold as resistance for a further move down this week? Can't rule out a false break. If we get a false break here, then watch for a move back up to daily resistance at 66.79. Now last week the euro yen failed at the 2008 monthly high, 169.95. Thursday, Friday held at that level after falling down early in the week. So this week, do we come up for a retest? Do we once more hold at 169.95 to move down to test day support at 168.100? And can we continue the move down the range? Now the euro dollar has been rather range bound, failed at 108.94 daily resistance last week. At the start of the week though, we've gapped down below support. So are we breaking to the downside? Or to watch for a rally back up to 108.04, broken support becoming resistance for a further move down this week. Are we heading down towards 106.94, weekly support? Now the pound yen is rather range bound, failed at the 250 level, weekly resistance here. Will we see another retest and failure? Will we come up this week to further hold, fail, for then a move down to daily support at 197.19? Now the pound dollar is rather range bound, failed at 128.100 last week. It's back down to 127.09 support. Will it hold here or break? So it could break this week. 127.09 becomes resistance for a move down. We may be seeing a long-term move down, back down towards the 123.00 level. Support could hold. If it holds here intraday, watch for a move back up to 128.100. Does that once more hold for a move back down? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.